Good morning, student. Today we will start with word problem. In word problem, direct, indirect, two condition will be given because it is simultaneous equation. We have to find out two variable. So in that type of the word problem, they will give two condition. Very easy how to convert this two condition into equation, that we will see, and you know how to solve. Whenever you are not getting the factor, no, very easily you can do the factor by formula, that abc b square minus 4ac is equal to, okay. Two number differ by 3, sum of twice of smaller and thrice of the greater number is 19. So find that number. Two numbers, 1.5. First question, let two numbers are x, smaller one x, larger one y. Difference they have given, so difference always larger minus smaller. Difference 3. Therefore y minus x is equal to 3. Twice of the smaller, the sum of twice in the thrice of greater, they use greater, so greater is 19. So what is smaller number? This is s. So what is s? 2x plus 3y is equal to 19. So from this we can identify y is equal to 3 plus x. This comes this side. So we got the value of y. Substitute y. 2x plus 3, y plus 3, x plus 3 or 3 plus x, anything, is equal to 19. So 2x plus 3 is 9 plus 3x is equal to 19. This is 5x plus 9 is equal to 19. So 5x is equal to 19 minus 9 is equal to 10. Divide by 5. So x is equal to 2. And we have y is equal to 3 plus x. So y is equal to 3 plus 2. So y is equal to 5. So now you got x, now you got y, so solution. X is what? Alphabetically. Y is what? 5. Now see the difference. That difference is 3 that we got. Second sum. Rectangle is given. Two x plus y plus 8. And opposite 4x minus y. We have to find out parameter, we have to find out area, we have to find out length, we have to find out breadth. Now this is A, B, C, D. we have to find out length, we have to find out breadth, we have to find out area, we have to find out parameter. 4 questions are there, one diagram is given, 4 sides are given, and it is given, it is a rectangle. Is rectangle. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD means 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. Okay. So, this side 4x minus 2x, this transfer, minus y, this transfer, so minus y, 8 here only, so this is 2x only, y minus y, 2y, divide by 2, so it is 4 is equal to x minus y. Y goes this side, so y, 4 plus y is equal to x. This is the first condition. Exactly the same, exactly the same. These two are equal, these two are equal. AD is equal to BC. So 2y is equal to x plus 4. Now we have x is equal to 4 plus y plus 4. So 2y is equal to 4, 4, 8 plus y. This y goes this side. So y is equal to 8. Now you got y, substitute. 4 plus y is equal to x. 4 plus 8 is equal to x. So x is equal to 12. Question number 1. L is equal to what? Length. Take smaller one. 4x plus 4x minus y. 4x. X is 12. Minus y. 12 for the 48. Minus 8. It is 40. Unit. Centimeter not given. Breadth, length, breadth. Now that is the smallest one, 2y. What is y? 8. So it is 16. Parameter, parameter, length, breadth, length, breadth. 2 times length, 2 times breadth. Length and breadth we have 40 plus 16. 40 plus 16 double. 40 plus 16 56. 56 double. Sorry, this is parameter. Parameter is equal to length, breadth, length, breadth, length, breadth, length, breadth. 2 times length, 2 times breadth. Now area, that is only L into B. L is given 48. Breadth is given 16. Correct? So 256 threes are. It is 768 square unit. So it is given in a condition form. These two are equal, these two are equal. 2 condition given. Here 1 condition given. Difference is this, and 2 times of this, 3 times of this is equal to this. Total is given. So 2 condition. Here also 2 condition. Third problem. The sum of the father's age at the twice the age of the son, let father's age is x year and son's age is y year. Now sum of father plus twice of the son, father plus twice of the son is equal to 70. It is given 70. So father is x, son is y, so 2y is equal to 70. So x is equal to 70 minus 2y. Condition number 1. Condition number 2. If we double the age of the father, add it into the age of the son, double age of father plus single age of son, now it will be 95. So now 2x plus y is equal to 95. But we know x is equal to how much? So 2x is equal to 70 minus 2y, 95. 140, 4y, 95. This goes this side, this goes this side. The sum of the father's age and the twice of the son of the age is 70, correct? If we double the age of the father and add it to the son, sum is 95. It is coming odd number. Let me check the answer. 1.5, because it is coming in decimal form. Right? Son's age is 15, father's age is 15, 50. One plus is remaining. 2x plus y. Now it will not come in decimal. Okay, so it is 140 minus 4y plus y is equal to 95. So it is 140, this 4 minus 1, 95 goes this side, 3y goes this side. Now 95 less from 140, so it is 45. Now we got only y, 45 by 3. So y we got, substituting this, 2x plus y is equal to, okay, 2x plus y is equal to 95. Y is equal to 15. And now 15 less. So 2x, 95 minus 15, 80. 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 40. Now you got this and this. Therefore, father's age is x is equal to 40 years. son says y 15. No, this is 45, but these are 15. Father says 40, son says, now substitute. Father plus double the son, father plus double the son, 15 double 30, 30 40 70. Second condition, double of father plus son, double of father, 40 plus 40 80, 80 plus 50 95. In any equation you have to substitute. If both the side it is equal, okay. Yes. So this is question number 1, 2, 3, now 4. The denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice of the numerator. Let numerator be x and denominator be y. Now denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice of the numerator. Denominator is 4 more than twice of numerator. Denominator is 4 more than twice of the numerator. So denominator we have considered y, 4 plus 2x. This is condition number 1. Second condition, denominator becomes 12 times if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. If denominator reduced by 6, then it is y minus 6. If numerator reduced by 6, x minus 6. At that time, denominator will be 12 times. Denominator will be 12 times the numerator. This numerator, this denominator, cut 6. Now new condition, denominator is equal to 12 times the numerator. So what is the new denominator? Y minus 6. What is new numerator? X minus 6. Now substitute y is equal to this, 4 plus 2x is equal to 12, x minus 6. So 4 plus 2x, 12x, 72. This come this side. See, numerator x, denominator y. Condition number 1, denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice of the denominator, twice of the numerator. Done. If both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, denominator become 12 times the numerator. So y we have substituted 4 plus 2x. Again it is coming in fraction. It is 4 more than that. Find the fraction. 12 times. Again it is coming. something I have done wrong. Denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Correct. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator when reduced by 6. That is also correct. This value of y is this much, minus 6. Okay, now 2x, 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now this comes this side, so minus 2 plus 72, it is 12x minus 2x, so it is 10x 70. Remove 0 0, so you will get, or divide by 10, it is 7. Okay, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 4 plus 2x. So y is equal to 4 plus 2 times 7. So y is equal to 4 plus 14, it is 18. So numerator, it is x, it is 7. Denominator y, it is 18. They have not asked for numerator, they have not asked for denominator, but the fraction is equal to numerator divided by denominator, it is x by y, and x is 7, this is 18. This is the final answer. So by substituting in between, at every stage you will get that you are missing something, you are wrong somewhere. So now see, denominator is 4 plus double of the numerator. 7 to the 14 plus 4, 18. So it's match. Fifth number. Two type of the box. Type, numbers, weight, total weight. Types of box A, types of box B, weight of first box is x kg, this is y kg. $150 type of A box, 100 another box. So better I'll start with this fifth. Type, weight, number, total weight. Type A box, type B box. Weight of first box is x, we don't know. This y, we don't know, we have to find out, kg. And number, this is given 150 box, this is given 100 box. So 150 box of x kg, so the total will be 150 x kg. 100 y, so 100 y kg. And that total is given 10 ton. The total, it will be 10 tons only given, is equal to 10 into 1000 kilogram. So now your condition is 150x plus 100y, it is 10000 Correct. Okay. Next time. So this you can divide by 50. 53s are, 52s are, 52s are. So this is your first equation. Now next time, A box is 260, 260 A box, B box 40 only, 40 B box, and again the weight is 10 ton, means 1000 kg, 10,000 kg, 10 ton 10,000, divided by 2020, so it is 13 plus 2B, 25 are. Correct, this is the equation number 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 1 means 13a plus 2b is equal to 500 minus 3x plus 2 in x and y is equal to 200. So 13 minus 3, that is 10x. 2y minus 2y, 0. 500 minus 200, that is 300. Remove 0, 0, divide by 10, 10. So you will get x is equal to 30. Select simple one, this. 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. 3 plus 2y, it is 200. 60 plus 2y, 200. So 60 comes this side. So y is equal to 70. Again try to understand. This is 150, this is 100. So 150 plus 100 is equal to 1000. Then 260 plus 40, it is again 10,000 they have given. So 0 remove and half, 0 remove and half, 0 remove and half. Now this and this. So subtract. So 13 minus 3, 10. 2y minus 2y, 0. 500 minus 200, 300. So x is equal to 30. 33s are, sorry. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So it is 110. Half is 55. So type A, x kg, 30 kg. Type B, y kg, 55 kg. Okay, now substitute. It is equal on both the side. Next one is very interesting. So first I'll rub this. So in basically in word problem they will give two condition. From that two condition try to form two equation. Now by any method you can solve. you will find x and y. Now don't write what is x, what is y. What you have considered, that you have to write. You have considered age, you have considered distance, you have considered weight, you have considered the number. As per that, you have to write final answer, because this is a word problem. So first topic of this chapter was equation is given, reversible coefficient are there, by adding and subtracting. First method. Second method, graphic method. Third method, Cramer. Fourth method, by considering a is equal to what, 1 by x, b is equal to what, 1 by y. Fifth method, to form the equation. From this 5 method, minimum 3 method they will ask, 100% in SSC board. Now, out of 199 kilometer, Vishal travels some distance by bus, some by aeroplane. By what? How much distance? Speed, distance, time.